Syncro System converted this van into a complete mobile laboratory for a company that tests and analyses concrete, asphalt and other road construction materials. An EcoFlow Delta Pro power station with an extra battery provides the autonomous energy needed to operate all the van's test and analysis instruments. The power station and its additional battery are housed in an open front frame and held in place by a system of hooks and straps. The frame, which is made from cut-to-size aluminium profiles, also serves as the base for a worktop covered in stainless steel. The unit's batteries are charged from a mains connection. The Delta Pro powers the van's equipment through two panels with Schuko-type sockets. Power for the van's LED lights comes from a 12-volt, 150-watt power supply. With the addition of the extra battery, the Delta Pro's standard 3,600 watts of power becomes 7,200, more than enough to drive the compressor that is supported by two brackets and held in place by a bar and adjustable metal hooks. The sides of this mobile laboratory are equipped with enclosed compartments and drawers. The floor is covered by a marble-look plywood liner, and the rear bumper is protected by a stainless steel footplate. Robust marble-look panels on top of the racking serve as excellent work surfaces. The work area formed in this way comes complete with an overhead shelf, an LED roof light and an electric power panel. The customer's equipment is all fully integrated with the Syncro racking and accessories, creating a safe and highly functional workplace.